So now, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to jump forward a little bit into the future. Maybe not so far into the future because it could be something that we have in our hands very soon. And I'd love to invite Nina on stage, the co-founder of DirectFEM. Nina, grab the spot there that Felix had. And maybe you can tell us a little bit about what DirectFEM is doing, not just for Industry 4.0, but also for our future.
Well, thanks, Alan. We are the company that reveals the unseen in the world. We provide the simulation software Reveal for industrial 3D printing, targeting simulation engineers. These engineers spend 80% of their time trying to evaluate the functionality of their designs, and this time is manual. While with our solution, they can make it up to 16 times faster. And just imagine what you can achieve with this, with just a few clicks away.
Wow, Nina, sounds very, very exciting. So, we know, I think, that the future, or at least our future lives, is going to have a lot of 3D printed objects integrated into our daily life, right? And this is a very exciting future for me. I had experience with 3D printing, but maybe for some of the audience that haven't yet experienced that wonder that is 3D printing, can you give some concrete examples of what's coming? And most importantly, how you're going to make that better?
Yeah, thanks for this question. And I happen to have a very small prototype for you. Let me just have a look at it. Imagine that at some point you will need a hip implant sometime in your life. 3D printing allowed for production very, very complex shapes. This is just a simple prototype. But this helps the surgical outcome, also makes the healing easier, faster, and better. And in the whole pipeline, our solution, Reveal, can help you to evaluate this functionality of these designs beforehand, plan it better, and make sure that this implant is just the right one for you.
Fantastic, Nina. Thank you very much. I know exactly where to go now when I need my hip replacement in about 40 years' time, I hope. But Nina, thank you very much for joining me on stage, and we'll have a chat later on.
Thank you.
Cheers.